Hello, in this video I'm with the JBL Endurance earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, just remember to input both earbuds inside charging case and charge them at least for the 30 minutes by using this USB-C port. Next, you can take them out of this case and you have to take a look for the indicators. As you can see in my case, they already blinking on the blue, but sometimes they are blinking white. So we have to wait for like 10 or 15 seconds, or even 20, to get this blue pairing indicators. It means that right now they are synchronized and they are in the pairing mode. So we have to put them close to our iPhone. Do not put them back to this cover. You have to open the settings on your iOS device, go to the Bluetooth, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and you have to select JBL Race True Wireless Sound. So click on them once. When you are successfully connected, you can also download the JBL headphones application. So you have to open the App Store on your iOS device, then on the search pool, just type JBL headphones. You can also pick it from this quick menu. And yeah, just download this application. Right now open. Right now accept all the permissions. Click to get started, accept all stuff that you have on the screen, and as you can see, when you previously connect them by the standard Bluetooth settings, will be right here connected, so we don't have to make this connection one more time. And yeah, that's all for the video. Hope you like it.